Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Pradeep. In this presentation, I am going to show you how to use the HANA or the end user activities related to logistics, specifically related to SD activities, how to create the sales order and how to do the outbound delivery, and when we are going to do the outbound delivery, your COGS, where it is going to update, how it will update in the universal journal or in SEDOCA table, and once we'll process the invoice from outbound delivery, how it is going to update in which table, okay, what are the tables are not going to update here. So those things I'm going to explain you in this particular presentation. Logistic, SD, then sales, order, create. Select your sold to party. With reference to customer's purchase order. Incoterm I have not configured, so I will take EXW, and you have to specify location. I don't have location, just like that I have maintained anything here. And we are going to sell product 42, quantity, let's say 2 items we are going to sell to the customer, or let's say I will take 3 here, and make sure that TAN should be activated and maintain the plant. Actual payment terms not yet configured, so I'm using the standard one. Document, this has no checking group material master. Something is missing. Stock availability. Stock availability configuration is not there, but we can't leave this one blank. So that's why I just selected here, no check. So all the informations are entered, and now we will check the conditions. So you can see the values are automatically updated like this. There should be some freight value should be there, then only it will reflect. So you can see selling prices per unit 1000. So for 3 item it is 3000. Discount is also calculated 2% on selling price. So 3000 2% 60 is updated. Accordingly 8% tax is also calculated on net selling price. So tax amount is also updated. Okay, and the profit margin is also updated. So everything is automated here. Being user, I just entered what the product we are going to sell, how many quantity we are going to sell, and everything is automated. So in backend configurations are required in the logistic module, and posting point of view fi integration is required, but configuration, all the calculations, everything will be, in this case it is automated from the logistic post it. Got it, Daniel? The discount calculation, discount price.
Yes, please. I got it.
Freight in next session I will show you, but actually I'm not able to recall that the freight calculation point of view. But discount it is reflecting. Now next we are going to do the delivery, but before that we have to ensure that the stock should be there. So we have not processed any production order and all. So right now we don't have the stock. So I'm just going to process one inflow of stock, so that here as production order is not there, or the PP configurations are not there, so I will process it through MIGO, but I will change it to movement type. I will change it. So I will take the other movement type 521 I will take, so that we can inflow of stock is required, because right now if you'll see we don't have this stock 42 right now, we don't have, so delivery not possible. So that's why stock availability is not there, and we put that point stock should be there. For delivery of course stock required. So that's why I'm just going to process the MIGO. This is a wrong practice. It should process through MB1C production order, but again configuration is not there, PP settings. So that's why I'm just to add the values, I mean stock, I'm just processing this one, inflow of stock, but change this category. It is not with reference to production order. Change this movement type here, take other here. Okay, and this one you can take without production order. So you can take movement type as 521 without production order. Rest we can continue. So we are going to enter here the product 42. Okay, and what is the quantity this month we produced? Let's say 20. This also change it to 521 plant storage location. So this is your production receipt, accounting entry, your FG stock. So FG stock is going to debit here, and it is inflow. Plus you can see receipt without order, without production order. Okay, so this one, check once. Yeah, document is okay. Now post it. So this is again your MATDoc updated, and this accounting entry also you will find in the universal journal. Now you can see the universal journal, inflow of stock. What was the document? Document number 20. So with reference to document number 20, with reference to the logistic document, we got this accounting document 49000. So that is accounting document generated, and you can see the MKPF, that is your MATDoc information. So if you'll see the MATDoc also, it should be there. Okay, the second document updated. $42, right? 42 updated with the value 16,000. So definitely now we are having the stock. So stock is calculated at cost price. So per unit we have updated the cost of calculation, or cost of production is 800. So 800 into 20, that is 16,000, and the same value should be available here also. Check this accounting document. 20 units. So I told you in universal journal, not only the value will update, the quantity will also, it is updated. So 20 items is there. This value is also updated.
Company code is GSK1.
Yes. Okay, so this is the updation, and you can see 16,000 should be there. 16,000. This is your AC doc, and this is your MAT doc. So both informations are there. So this is inflow of stock, and if you want to check the stock position also, 20 units are there. Out of these 20, we are going to deliver 2 units, and also your accounting entries are posted. Okay, done. So maybe end user point of view, you can see all these activities we are doing same. Only difference, no separate tables. Everything is part of your universal journal. Next, I'm going to do the outbound delivery. Right now, I did here just temporarily. Let me show you what. So when you are going to do the outbound delivery, you know what is the accounting entry? Your COGS account is going to debit, and credit will be your FG stock. In ECC, when you are going to do the outbound delivery, there is no update in the COPA. You can say that is the limitation was there in the ECC. But now when we are going to do the outbound delivery, the COGS also we are going to take into the COPA, in account-based COPA. So that's why this account I have created with cost object. The COGS account I have created, you can see the category primary cost and revenue. But right now I don't have the profitability analysis configuration. But just to continue, I'm going to do the account assignment for this account. So for the time being, I will continue this one with cost center, which is a wrong practice. So in future, I will change it. So for the time being, I will take this as OK B9, automatic account assignment. Cost element 1004. It's supposed to be profitability segment we need to activate, but right now I will activate with cost center, and future I will change it. In fact, revenue, all these accounts, I have not included this cost object. Discount also I have not included cost object. In future we will change it. Because revenue and discount, everything we will include it in our COPA. Next, go for the outbound delivery. Transaction code VL01N, and logistic point of view navigation, it will be part of your, I forgot this one, it is logistic, then ST,
VL01N.
Yeah, VL01N.
VL001N. That's the T code.
VL01N. That is the T code.
N. Yep.
Order. Then subsequent functions. This one VL01N. Shipping point for outbound delivery. Shipping point is required. Now let me change the date because it will not work. I'm using the standard calendar because right now you can also verify if you go to what was the sales order number is 5. So if you go to sales order and in sales order item overview, not item overview, in sales order shipping. In shipping, what is the delivery date? Delivery date is the next working date, so 28. So right now if you'll process with current date 27, so it will not work. Here we can't change it because it's already processed. So here we can change it. In VL01N, change it to 28. Continue. And actual date, take the current date. Three. So outbound delivery document generated, and also here accounting document also generated. You can see the accounting document like your COGS account also FG credited and COGS account debited. COGS. Okay, 2400. That means 800 into 3 items. 2400, and this accounting entry automatically updated FG stock to COGS. And if we'll go to, so everything is updated with your material ledger also. Okay, because we have activated material ledger. So 3 items delivered at this price. Right now it is only, we have only company code price on the basis of 800. Once we'll add the group price, the price will be also, you can differently calculate it. But separately we don't have any ML document here. It is merged with your accounting document 49001. Okay, and this document also we will verify it should be part of your universal journal. So it is a thumb rule. Here also the controlling document is also there. Cost center is also updated because if you'll see your case B1, so this 2400 also updated. COGS account is also updated. This is in euro, so it is also updated. But again, we don't, we suppose not to add this value into cost center. We supposed to transfer this 3 unit, 3 quantity and this value to the COPA. But right now it is there in the cost center, just to ensure that the cost object should be updated. And this document you can see it should be updated in the universal journal. '49. What was the document number?
$49001.
49001. Okay. Yeah, now your sound corrected, Prasad. 49001. This one. Okay, you can see coin is also updated, but coin suppose not to update. So this one is also updated. Next, I mean part of universal journal. Next, process the invoice or billing document. VF01 with reference to the delivery, process the invoice. RV, document type RV. This is your SD document generated, accounting document not generated. Let's see.
Pradeep.
Yes.
Sorry, you made mention about if you go back to Asset Doka that cons not shouldn't be updated. Is there any reason why you say that?
I need to check accounting document in Invoice. Accounting document not generated. Let's see what is the logic.
No, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about if you go back to SE system, Asset Doka. You said that under the business transaction, you said that the cons shouldn't updated.
No, coin here coin should not be updated because why we will transfer this value to cost center. This activity we are doing after calculation of cost of production. This should be transferred to profitability report, not in the cost center.
Okay.
This assume that this 800 right now, whatever we have calculated, this one we calculated already and we got this price. The price is already released. That's why we got this 800. Just to continue this configuration, because I did the configuration that I will continue this account with cost object. Right now I need a cost object, and that cost object should be the profitability segment. But right now I don't have the profitability segment. I can't activate as COPA configuration is not there. Just not to disturb.
So when you activate it now, it won't show again.
Yes, once I will complete the COPA configuration, then I will change there in OKB9. I will change. I will remove the cost center and I will activate the profitability segment. Then automatically it will go to, it will update one particular your value date. Sorry, value field.
Okay.
Okay, because earlier we are not bothered about in ECC about this activity, because in ECC when you are going to perform this outbound delivery, there is no update in the COPA. It's only accounting document will generate. But now for outbound delivery also your COPA or your CE1 table is going to update. I mean universal journal is going to update. It's updated. Only thing is instead of coin, the profitability segment or characteristics value field should be updated. Value field, not characteristics. So that's why this coin which is updated right now, it is wrong.
Thank you.
Let's see why this accounting document is not. That means in SD part is processed, but accounting document is not there. Let me check what is the issue here. What is the issue? Which number range is not there? Which number range is not there? Some number
RV.
RV 14. The number range 14 is missing. Yeah. 00.
We maintain 14.
But so here someone changed it to 00.
Yeah.
That's why.
It seems like people are playing. I had a lot of funds management problem yesterday. A lot.
Yeah, people keep on changing. Sorry, I need to process the VF02. That is billing document, which is SD part is processed. Only thing is we need to process the accounting document. Actually, ECC system when I have it was within my control. Only my users was there, but this system like it is costly, so they are giving to n number of different institutes. So like lot of users are there. Okay, your accounting document generated now. Document saved. So now one more document generated. That is your no update in the BSID. That is also universal journal. Yesterday also we posted. Yesterday we processed through FB70. Now we process through RV. I mean from SD. Document number 14,000. 14,000 or
14001.
14001. Yeah, this one.